Hi, this is amazing, Ken. Well, what VBA can do for you? Well, for example, if you want to uh, copy only the done list, right, into another worksheet, just like this, you see there's a done list, right, out from here. Now you can do the steps such as this manual steps like that, and then you choose done, and after that you can copy this and paste it here, right? Now we will just delete this and show you what this can be done, right? Let's just say that you just enter a new item, and then you click on these buttons, and that's it. You see, it's done, right? So copy this over here. Now that's one, right? Now let's just unclear this. And what if I want to do this a pivot table, right? So such like this. Can this be done, right? Automatic. Well, okay, actually it can, right? Just click on this button. Okay, I got to right click, choose assign macro, go to this auto create. Let's click again one more time. Okay, it's done. The pivot is just done. See that? So this is a pivot table, and behind that is this few lines of code for the auto filter, and this is a bit longer, right? So that is what Excel VBA can do. This is just the tip of the iceberg. It can do much more beyond your imagination. So again, remember, think amazing, believe you're amazing, and you can do amazing things. Right? Those code to generate pivot table, you can find it in other YouTube lists as well, right? Or you can contact me to buy the list, or contact me for a corporate consultation in Malaysia, in Southeast Asia, right? We'll be happy to help you with that, right? For a professional service. Thank you.